Shulini TV. News from the campus.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shulini TV. We will get you the latest news bulletin from Shulini University. I am Ansi and these are the news headlines.
Virtual Teachers' Day celebrations held. 2-day induction program for PG students. Results of photography competition declared. MSc Biotech student Parneet bags prize.
Like many other events this year, the Teachers' Day was also celebrated in the virtual world. Here is Nitika giving details about the events held that day.
Teachers' Day is celebrated as a tribute to the valuable contribution made by the teachers to the society. This year, the day was celebrated with students sending out messages to their teachers. Vice Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla shared how beholden he feels himself to have been a student as well as a teacher in his life. Here's what he has to say.
Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Teacher, I do have a teacher and now I have students. I started my teaching career way back in 1968 at Punjab University, Chandigarh. Then I shifted to Himachal. Though I became Vice Chancellor and held some senior position, but continue to call myself teacher. My reverence to my teachers and also seek reverence for my students, that has been the mission of my life. I strongly feel a teacher is a person who enlightens the students in subject matter, in knowledge, and also in solving their personal problems. There cannot be better profession than teacher. I can only say, if I am born again, I should be born in India, and that too, I should be a teacher again. So anybody who is a teacher, Lakshmi can disappear, but not the Saraswati. Whatever you have gained in life and knowledge from your teacher, it will continue to be with us. So this day dates back to the birthday of Dr. Radhakrishnan, the first then teacher president of India. We pray to him that he gave us such a wonderful day that we celebrate it as the Teachers' Day.
Pro Vice Chancellor Professor Atul Khosla too shared his sentiments on the Teachers' Day. Here's what he said.
Hello teachers, hello students. It's so lovely to see all of you today. I know it's electronic, but who cares? It's about the meeting of the minds and the meeting of the hearts. Today is Teachers' Day. What a beautiful day. Beautiful for students because it's an opportunity to wish their favorite teachers a very happy Teachers' Day and say that they love you. And for teachers, to bless their students, to tell them also that they love them, and also to encourage students to do well in life. You know, I miss all of you. I so wish we were all here together. I so wish we were doing the festivities. I miss the marathon of every year. I so wish I would run it again. Of course, things are different today. We're in COVID. But so what? We're going to meet next year. We're going to meet next year and tell each other that we are so proud of each other. I am very proud of all of you because teachers, you are the best. It's not just me saying this. It's a ranking saying this. Whether it's NIRF or it's India Today, Skimago, Atal Rankings, the list is long. You are the best. Our students say this. You are the best. So thank you teachers. Thank you for making Shulini such a wonderful place, a great place to work. And thank you students for being such a wonderful bunch of students and learners. I wish you all good luck and I look forward to meeting you very soon, this time with double party. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
At the Shulini University, various departments, including Law Department, organized a special virtual Teachers' Day celebration. The Faculty of Management Sciences and Liberal Arts made a special video for the students in which teachers gave out messages to the students.
Thanks Kritika. Hopefully, the Teachers' Day celebration next year would be held in the campus itself. Induction program for the new postgraduate students was also held online. Lakshya has the details.
A 2-day induction program for PG students was organized to welcome them to the university. Unlike the past, when the campus would be buzzing with activities, this year it all had to be done online. Day 1 of the induction involved the campus tour by Poonam Nanda, Dean Student Welfare, welcome address by Vice Chancellor Professor P.K. Costa.
Of course we miss you. Of course we want you back in campus as soon as possible. But unless things get better, unless COVID settles down, we cannot take that chance. So instead of just telling you about the campus, let me take you on a short tour of the campus. And we haven't been able to capture all of it, but some part of it surely I can tell you. Over to you, Chaitanya. So that was a part of the campus, and here I'm showing you Milkha Singh Sports Complex. All those who are enthusiasts about fitness and want to use the gym, you can see that we have a world-class gym with all kinds of activities, and not only our Indian students but also international students who are very, very enthusiastic about using the gym.
Day 2 of the induction began with a session of virtual yoga, followed by a session on safety on roads and social media. The new students were then introduced to e-learning systems of the university.
That was a very well organized program. Pankaj, can you tell us something about a photography competition held recently and which entries won prizes?
Yes, Mansi. Drishyam Photography Club of the Shillong University recently organized a photography contest on the theme of black and white photography. The contest attracted huge response. The prize-winning entries were judged by the ace photographer Vikram Joy. Here are the prize-winning entries.
This photograph by a new student Raghav has been adjudged by the best photograph of the competition. The judge liked it for its good concept and composition. The second prize also goes to a fresher, D. Sostam, for a well-captured moment with sharp details. For the third prize, there are two joint winners, Khushbu Mehra and Manoti Vyas. Manoti's entry was selected for good composition but lacked a bit of sharpness, while Khushbu's photograph could have got a better ranking if the other flower was also as sharp as the first one.
Ajay, you have some news about one of our MSc Biotech students winning a prize?
Yes, Mansi. Parneet Kaur, a student of MSc Biotech, has won the third prize in online series of seminar organized by Himalayan Bioresources Technology, Palampur. Most of the students were from IITs and CISR and gave a tough fight. Another of her proposal was earlier shortlisted in the prestigious top 20 among 400 participants at an international competition organized by Falling Walls Lab in collaboration with the German Academic Exchange Service.
Congratulations, Praneeth, and hope you bring in more laureates. This brings us to the entertainment section, and here is a video selected from our Talent Hunt Challenge. The performer is Sonia, a student of M-Pharmacy.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonia. I have something to share with you guys about SFY, Shuli Names for You. So, here it goes. नौजवानों की टोली कुछ करके दिखाए, अपनी मेहनत से अच्छा समाज बनाए. ये सोचो ना तुम के अकेले हो भाई, एक साथ मिलके हम ये बेड़ा उठाए. Let's volunteer for the greater cause, because we can. Yes, we can, because we can. Together we can, because we can. Together, yes, we can. बहुत गंदगी पड़ी है नालों में, लोगों की सोच है इन ख्यालों में, दुनिया का ये कूड़ा तेरे घर भी तो आएगा, फिर झाड़ू वाड़ू मार के तू उसको भगाएगा। शूलिनी से करते हैं शुरुआत हम, सोच से लोगों की चश्मे उतारे हम, बदलाव के लिए करते हम कोशिशें, साथ मिल के सोशल स्टिग्मास हटाएं हम, अवेयरनेस की बात हो या NSS का साथ, मरीजों की सेवा नारी शक्ति की बात, सफाई की ड्राइव करते चलते रहे, एक दिन में नहीं एक दिन तो बनेगी बात। Let's volunteer for the great cause because we can, yes we can, because we can together, yes we can. You know, it's a fortune that you can love and serve your society. And here is an opportunity for you to find out who you really are. You we can से जुड़ जाते सब दिलों के रास्ते, सर्विंग फॉर अ बेटर वर्ल्ड नन्ना मैम के साथ में, भीड़ से अलग जो चलना है भाई, ऐसे भाई के साथ जिंदगी की समझ आए, डिग्री से नौकरी तो मिल ही जाएगी, पर सेवा से तेरी तो लाइफ बन जाएगी।
Wow, how incredible that was. If you are waiting for a chance to showcase your talent, then here it is. Do share your talent videos with us on WhatsApp number 9888028882. Email ID newsletter@shuliniuniversity.com. And now RJ Ruchika will tell us about the prize-winning RJ from Shulini and the Radio Shulini shows coming this week.
Hello everyone, here's Ruchika with list of shows for this week. But before that, I have a great piece of news to share with you all. That the Digital Radio Awards Season 5 was organized by Amity School of Communication in Lucknow, and it had a spectacular grand finale on Friday. You'll be glad to hear that from our Shulini University, RJ Purvi Bhushan bagged Titular Award in female category. Now this one is a great piece of news. A big congratulations to her. Now moving on to our list of shows, we have Punjabi Junction with RJ Rahul, Jaan Pehchan with RJ Yash. A short show, Gup Shup with RJ Ruchika, will be uploaded on our YouTube channel Radio Shulini. So do watch, stay tuned and subscribe our YouTube channel Radio Shulini, and do follow us on Instagram Shulini TV. Thank you.
That's all for this week. Signing off now for this bulletin. We shall bring you the next edition on the next Friday. Stay safe, take care and thank you.